If you want to buy a domain from GoDaddy and connect it to Shopify, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the full process step by step, from purchasing the domain to pointing it to your Shopify store so everything works properly. This is a simple setup, but it's important to do it carefully so your store loads correctly on your custom web address. If this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Shopify tutorials. Now, let's jump in. First, go to the GoDaddy website in your browser. Once you're on the homepage, use the search bar to type in the domain name you want for your store. After you enter the name, click Search and wait for the results to load. GoDaddy will show you whether the domain is available, along with similar options if your first choice is already taken. If the domain you want is available, click Add to Cart, then choose Continue to Cart. At this stage, GoDaddy may suggest extra products like email, privacy protection, or hosting. You can review those options, but for most users, the main thing you need is the domain itself. Next, choose the registration duration you want. You can usually pick 1 year or longer, depending on how long you want to keep the domain registered. Once you've selected the duration, click Checkout and complete your purchase. Make sure your payment details are correct before finalizing everything. After the purchase is complete, your domain will be registered in your GoDaddy account. Now we move over to Shopify. Open your Shopify admin dashboard, then go to Settings and click Domains. This is where Shopify manages your store's domain settings. On the Domains page, click Connect Existing Domain. Since you already bought the domain from GoDaddy, you're not buying a new Shopify domain here. You're linking the one you already own. Enter your GoDaddy domain name into the field and click Continue. Shopify will then show you the DNS values you need to use. The two main values you're looking for are the A record and the CNAME record. The A record points your root domain to Shopify's IP address, and the CNAME record points the www version of your domain to shops.myshopify.com. Copy those DNS values carefully, because one small typo can stop the connection from working. Once you have the values, go back to GoDaddy. From your GoDaddy account, go to My Products, then Domains. Find the domain you just purchased and click it. Then open DNS or Manage DNS. This is where you'll update the records so the domain knows where to send visitors. Look for the A record with the host set to @ and update it to the Shopify IP address provided in Shopify. Then find the CNAME record for www and set it to shops.myshopify.com. If there are any conflicting records already there, make sure they don't override the ones you just entered. After that, click Save to apply the changes. DNS updates can take some time, so don't worry if the connection is not instant. Sometimes it works right away, and other times it can take a little while to fully propagate. Once you've saved everything in GoDaddy, go back to Shopify and click Verify Connection. Shopify will check whether your domain is pointing to the correct records. If everything was entered correctly, the connection should verify successfully, and your GoDaddy domain will be linked to your Shopify store. That means your customers can start visiting your store using your custom domain instead of the default Shopify URL. And that's it. You've now bought a domain through GoDaddy and connected it to Shopify. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more Shopify setup tutorials, and leave a comment if you want more step-by-step guides like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.